Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is RJ Monica. I'm welcoming you guys after a very long time. Yes, it's been a month. I've posted a video in this channel, but I've been posting continuously in my Tamil channel. If you guys want to see that, I'm leaving the link in the description. You can also follow that. So in this video, I just want to give you a small life update. That is, it's been 10 months after we moved to USA. Right now we are living in Texas, and also we got a new car. So I've been posting about it in Instagram also. You can follow me there if you want, leaving the links in the description. So that's it. So with a new car, this is going to be our first road trip. So we are going to a place called Turner Falls. So it's going to be around 120 miles from my place. Yes, without any delay, let's get into the video. But if you guys haven't subscribed my channel yet and you've been watching my videos, please do subscribe and start watching this video. Okay, without any delay, let's get into the video. Parked the car, we started walking. We also had some snacks, we had that, and then we started walking towards the falls. It was a very good view that you can see the water flowing around, and we had only little much crowd, so we were able to walk pleasantly and go to the falls nearby.
So we had a very quite good drive, and now we are at this falls. The view we wanted to see is here right now.
With the stunning scenery and plenty of adventurous outdoor activities, this should be a perfect year-round trip for families, couples, and also the solo travelers. So we had a very good, nice time there. When the waterfall is frozen, it is just magnificent. I saw it in the Instagram post, it was so good. But then I guess you can't visit at that time. I guess the park would be closed.
So finally we are here at this Turner Falls, guys. So the Turner Falls is so good. So actually it is going to be so crowded when you're visiting this place in summer, but then now it is very peaceful and you see only a small crowd right here, and nobody is bathing right now because it's kind of cold. And it's very good to see this place and enjoy the nature with no crowd at all and be at your peaceful time here.
Apart from the fall view, that is the 77-foot waterfall, you have a castle and hidden caves, and also you have hiking trails and also zip lining, swimming. Everything was there. It is also a very good, a perfect RV spot. You can go camping and rent a cabin also here. And about the hiking, there are 3 hiking trails at the Turner Falls Park. Since it was so cold and we had only a day trip, so we didn't go for an hiking. But then you have 3 hiking trails: Firebreak Trail, that is a 0.5 mile trail, and Honey Creek Trail, it's a 1 mile trail, and also you have a 2 mile trail. So everything is like a moderate and offer a very peaceful and natural walk. And also for a bit more challenging hike, you can also rock scramble right to the waterfall. It's not a guided trail, but then it's very steep and rock or slippery also. You should take some professional help and go.
After watching the fall view, we are here at the level 2. They have like 3 levels here. So the first level you see the falls view, and the second level I guess it's going to be a cave right there, and also you have another falls view right here. So I'm here at the Turner Falls during winter season, so that's why you see no greeneries now. But then during the fall and some other season, it's going to be so green and so colorful.
And about the caves and the castle in the Turner Falls Park is you have 3 caves. One is above the waterfall. It also needs some rock scrambling to reach there. And the other 2 is close to the parking lot, and it's very accessible also by the walk itself. In addition to the caves, the Turner Fall Park also has a beautiful castle on the ground that guests can explore on their own. So as I said, they also have this castle, which is a ruin only. You can just explore by yourself.
level 2, that is the cave. You guys must have seen that cave was really good, and it felt to be quite dangerous to just walk in, but then it was easy only. Like 45 plus to 65 plus, people were going in and then checking out the cave. The look, the cave and the views were beautiful, and also we just went in the trial and we got the top view of the Turner Falls. It was good.
Day trip from Dallas to Oklahoma City, but because there is so many fun things to do, it is also a great place to stay overnight. Visitors can also stay there in the park and enjoy the place all day and night. And also as I already said, they also have a campsite, so you can rent a cabin or a rent shelter, or you can find a perfect RV site and you can spend your night there.
So this is the zipline place, guys, but the zipline isn't functioning, so we are not going there. But pretty much this is the whole Turner Falls view. You have the falls view right there, and also the castle right there, and the cave which we went, it's right there. It's good to get a view with all those we saw in one. Right now our battery percentage is 50%, but then we have 100 miles to cover to our home. So the Tesla is suggesting a supercharger nearby, so we are going to charge there. So it's pretty good. When I say go home, plus when I say navigate us to home, it just suggests you whether the battery is going to be enough for you to reach home. So that's pretty good, and we like it too. So now to the supercharger and meet you guys. After driving for 15 minutes, we are here at this Ardmore supercharger, Tesla supercharger. So it is charging. We started off at 50%. Now we have around 37%. Maybe we would charge for 20 minutes and then we'll be going back home. So finally, we are here back at our home. I hope you guys enjoyed this trip as much I enjoyed. I'll be posting more videos. So if you guys want to see all those things, please do subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more such videos. We'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, keep watching and keep rocking, my lovelies. Bye.